Yes, pet. After 8 years, pet. United Nations say the most cleanest city in the world. Eye Kigali. Na pictures be go around on social media. Me sure say ohu bi. Enya throw, enya Photoshop. The ohu ye no, enya Photoshop. A Canadian journalist from ABC. And the kwa hosa no on tias ye. Ohu pictures ni bi no ewo internet no na on jindi. Oye do Australian Broadcasting Corporation but oye Canadian. And on top plane pa. Any Kigali Santine. No I say oh twitwa pictures no. I feel also trying to do baby na dream so Europe. Now we share the article now. I say this is unbelievable Africa. Unbelievable Africa. A country that came out of war. Cleaner city. Now they are konokra or honey say. They say you see they have more trees than the tree country. Now we share the way we say design almost streets. Na country offer a kunwa bar. More than half of their roads a kuninti you see a seno. But after 8 years, the most beautiful city. Can you imagine? And we live in this country. Now bola and cry bong and cry a bong and cry a bong. Our penida that Rolling Stein. Time and a palm card air corner ye. Maybe refinia masao. Jim Shedda. Our penida that Rollins that time. Before Kwesiboche resigned. Kwesiboche as Yomui. Mumusano. Ghana went for close to $3 million for the redesigning of Accra, the capital city. That's Kanaway. Rollins' time. 3 million, close to 3 million from the World Bank. Say, you redesign Accra. Na Accra be ya kono, Accra be ya fe. The first country in Sub-Saharan Africa or independence, the capital city at time. Ango Siaga. And a miano of Ajay Kufuor be president. And may his soul rest in perfect peace. Honorable Jacob Echebi Lamte. Yadi also ba say modernization, Ministry of Tourism and modernization of the capital city. That time, Paddy Yam Futro Quine Power Cry. That time, Yam Futro Quine Power Cry. And this one goes in here. And J.M. Mills by Professor John Evans 50 Mills. And so, I buy the first cabinet meeting. Or yeah. Report a few mobile beto Janina and say. On my friend Ghana, your capital city, your friend say and Krino. As I say, your team money drew a certain standard, a befitting a country like Ghana. Those were his words. Google, you'll find out. Yehudi and Jamie and sound with team one chrono. Yehudi see ye. And ye. Then John Dramani Mahama also came. Accra will be beautiful, 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 Accra is not beautiful. Then, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, Brady, Adu Premai. Or say, Accra will be the cleanest city in Africa after 1 year. Bola Okrom Hachem Tambia. And then, what they took Rwanda. What the Ghana took Chase Crony didn't crowd Rwanda. Judia be check a crab and Kumaka Krako Mumas, which by Rwanda. Country like Rwanda. Not M1. I'm try that Rwanda for you. Say, so we are mistaken offer 1 city, our Rwanda, $1. Our Rwanda, we are entitled to 10 years imprisonment. $1. We have $1. Our Rwanda, we be jail 10 years. So we for above $1,000 a life imprisonment. $1,000 oh 40 million. So for $1,000 and above, ewa Rwanda, ube kwa jail, kwande nyina. The tattoo what they say, adia bia eye wa usika na odia ye bia no so abayeneje. Rwanda for you. By yet kroma, maybe casnate asem ketu be ato so. Rwanda say, so what the ball at 2 for ma. When we say, you form sanitation guards. Ebinim ya police for, ebinim ya soldier for, ebinim ya immigration for, and to what they can't show. Never who and him say, free krom ha. I have a documentary. I think we need to put it on Adom TV. On Rwanda, how they made their capital city and the entire nation clean. I have the documentary. They are afraid of immigration for them to free him because we're trying to free krom ho. So what doing yet? So you Rwanda ni pa unja di went to form. That's all you go no ma bo, omba bo. Omo kasa discipline, also we will beat you. It's in Rwanda. We young we na we jagu krom, ni akato asesa. And the first one, no ma judi, no ma processor come now the computer and so. Ni aju fingerprints. A few fingerprints, a few. It's the next time we have your near the one and the machine who say, wow, obedia so troubleta. Ombe discipline heavy. But for dear Webra Chroma, Opa, my baby family, dear Webra Chroma. The Becca say human face. A human nonsense. Human face, not ball a cummy, and call a rubber than say, fast and down, and so better. The Fino, a baby call her an abaha. Go to Rwanda. What's the word? Bema, koja pure water to from Ko. I want to see Africa country in you. Rwanda primary schools. You're reducing one more subject from 7 to 3 subjects. You're reducing Kwalani subjects, you know, from 7 to 3. 3 subjects in Rwanda. Every child, almost 2 should be taught in their languages. This is a country that is looking forward. And then Yama, Bakuma Kun Suan Kwadani show Rwanda, they are tested from and so to me and son. And I mean, son will so almost a mummy. Young Fawa Mukrom Hokasa, and Fanchan Quadano. From there, Washas here, because it's all the very university. Young Fan Chrome Casa and Fanchano. It is a say, almost almost segregate to universities, no one person in English universities. And when you want to Chrome Casa universities, Timmy India open a wafa. This is a country that is looking forward. By to Chroma. And that's net, Okwa net. Snake for new investigation, forensic audit, no Marquano. Dr. Kwame Adukufonya Minchra. Anye Krano, who kwa Merasudi and him say, who quote China for by him, a whole president of China, who besides a many then and say, a miss matter. Come Cassabe Sida Mam. Mammy Scamfa Quasham Yerenema. Papa Panica say, on Pepe, I do a penny none, say, or per se, or your Minister of Defense, and per se, or see Ministry of Defense and dying for fraud, or per mono. I'm a Ghana, and only idea done a commercial. I China for him is this man an African? Now you be see dining this on the yesterday to boss. And your friend say, boss chairman. Senate investigation now, but I will share pen big, mama pen big back on big. With a pen beer, Fabra. Big waha Fabra. Me fan check camera no beer who as some make Canada said the bear, Wobatias here. Where are big, but big be free waba. More, that's it. That's where be big pen. Big. Price Waterhouse for and I hear forensic audit. Who question my yes pen way back? We are turned 150 Ghana cedis, 1.5 million Sikadadan, more damn. Make what kind of someone know I am idiot. Make what kind of Muslim idiot. Namin yo. Why do you wouldn't answer? Sa big pen, big, yeah, I dare put me back. What on 150 Ghana cedis? Leah Flower will say a oversight. With this oversight, you have gone to pay. One quarter oversight every year. When you answer, who is a quadrant baker back, make it a better one, say, do 5 cities. 1 city, big 1 city. There be big one, or say one stick of big. Or say a oversight. Na nanka wo tro 1 cedi 50 pesos. Na nti wo kwa nanka wo tro 1 cedi 50 pesos. Matias here. Ba wo kwa tua na nti wo tro 1.5. Wo tro 1 cedi 50 pesos. Ena wo tro ena wo tinye. Na wo tro 150 Ghana cedis. Na wo kwa tua no so a wo kwa tua 150 Ghana cedis na wo gi receipt nti wo dwen ye. Because kase boy akwa na no ya meyew. Meyew heavy. Because baby we need a new Ghana revolution. Some heads must be chopped off. Any people who we should take them away from our society. They are not human to live with us. They've gone beyond humanity. They are not human. There are people in this country who behave like beasts. And sometimes I wonder if indeed we care for the ordinary Ghanaian. We live in a country and tontom cow bow and you and tonto common mosquito. We can eradicate mosquito from our society. And your foreign, your former president, J.J. Rawlinson, the whole world anti-malaria dear program near the man. We anti malaria figure. Common and tontom. Yentimin pamon tonton and free Ghana ha oh tong. But yetimi top pen back 150 Ghana cedis. But my pain is that and Krano special prosecutor, so we are waiting. But I've told you, after this month, first said that baby and swonka market. Yababo din yabet so fear yabaho. The police for machi soldier for machi. We don't care. We want to save our country. Market somewhere. 1st April. We will mention your name and we will come to your house. It is becoming so worrying that you have intelligent people in this country, but you share the risk in such a manner that now you render the ordinary useless and hopeless. I am a taka, oh, bad yet. Oh, why I was sure would do tea, the pampasi wa pampem, and to bounce a gun and nearby a baby a maya to force in your day. I want come. No, I said, force a good in Sasso, not in the Mariam, you also about home, you there be a yaria. A yamadi hunu, a yaria, Toma Mada Okromano. Na bema bosuit, a rieso, na or the Janabaka Junction. Or Tobo fruit. Now, see how Obama acquire ya do innovation, and your innovation, a genie. See, can you call him? And your innovation, beer, and your innovation or tongue. So, be a kuta degree. Now, a boss suit, no subo fruit. Now, I say, and your innovation. Innovation, my foot. Where your innovation? And you know, this is the time we need to rise as people, the youth of this country. I keep telling you, we need to rise. We have waited for quite too long, and we can no longer wait anymore. How can you tell me you buy 1 pen for 150 Ghana cedis? 150 Ghana cedis, nature says $72. Adom. Akufa do kura pen on the truck. Professor Mason and John Mahama and Rollins Nico pen on the truck, and that's $72. How can you tell me you bought just a single pen, $72? Now you have a catch and say, hey, oversight. Now we go to and who say 150 Ghana. What kind? The new Slate report, forensic, Monday corner, you have more details. Me titi ani na mawo. So, what to be taught laptop yi say kwade hin na board ngogema what the most expensive laptop in the world try to say you try to send what catch am say what be $22,000 akoto laptop $22,000 na Ghana Armed Forces crowd intelligence division what crowd laptop is what crowd about $22,000. What kind of a laptop is that? I don't know, maybe there is, but I'm surprised that in modern day Ghana a laptop will be away $22,000. $22,000 and your Ghana cedis. or say your oversight. Price Waterhouse for a year forensic audit. No? When you go through the report, you would weep. And this is a country that we live in. And Enya Bufu, and Shakuma, and Yam Shisha. So this modern world, mosquito keke, yentimi eradicating mosquito from Ghana. Malaria is killing us. Malaria keep killing the ordinary Ghanaian. Malaria, a common Rwanda. Eyi malaria free woman society. Rwanda. Eyi malaria free woman society. Enyeda say a dirty Ghana ha na fi bola keke. Wabra common sense. Ba obi kan chatema MC for friends on from producers on pen wasema. Tema MC. Me refi say nra me bon kan ti na ndema nya ho adwuma no. Call my producers. They know. I'll tell them what they should tell you. If you don't work on it, Monday me do be fra snit. Me asema me boss why we are aware about bola. You are aware. A fee keke common dollar. The most expensive commodity and China for top dollar. Then market top dollars here. They go to countries and buy dollar. Nobody are they are keeping dollar to say you keep it or bank. Because I'm saying in the future, it will become the most priceless commodity. You need factory, common one factory and generate waste to power. And so a fee is over 300,000 tons only in Tema. You wasting the kwase and you feel the young kwasa, your landfill site near Kwaji Asase, near Kotubol and Guhasa, no chrome of sorry, a chrome hammer, and the Yamma Tubol and give you near a demonstration. No, I am a father. Okay, I tell you, Fancumium, your confer site for Fro, near Cocatas, as I saw, your Kotubol and Goo, near Yapen, near Jai, Jimmy. I didn't know why a tribunal. We are refusing to think. That's my major problem. That's my major problem. We are refusing to think as people. With all respect, Kwame Nkrumah change. When it is denied or too long delayed, violence will break out here and there. Not that men planned or willed it. But the accumulated grievances would erupt with volcanic fury. I keep telling you, one day, one day. One day, one day. One day, one day. Say that you can't see about demonstrations after 6 months. Yeah. One day, one day. One day, one day. We will rise. Now, we don't mafia because we mafia won't many yet because we nipa. And this is the time, Yenjai and PP and this year, Samunum Kubabi. That thing, let's come together, one as people, and move forward. So be here, dear, and you catch as a captain's man, some phone, I would know. Some Marano, Yenjai, and Pennyfonia, him from Frantama, a copy pacho, a sofa move clerical, a costress, a copacho, Nipana Rieska. Na so for bo clerical kopacho yambe chaka ya fancy ha name your phone line